Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be comparing TradingView with SmartCharts. Now if you haven't heard of SmartCharts, it's a brand new platform that is absolutely blowing up the industry right now because it's just so easy to use. It's not convoluted or complicated like TradingView, and it could be an option to replace TradingView if you're thinking about switching. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this is SmartCharts, and you can just see off the bat right now, the UI is incredibly simple and effective, and that's really what you want as a trader. Now, obviously, you can do everything that you can also do on TradingView, right? You can add indicators, you can draw trend lines if you want, very, very simple, but one of the best features I feel that SmartCharts offers is the fact that you can actually just take trades directly in the platform, whereas with TradingView, a lot of the time, particularly if you have different brokers that aren't supported, you can't actually do that in TradingView. You're gonna have to do your TA, go into another tab, sign into your broker, and then, maybe you can take your trade, and you might even miss your trade throughout that time. With something like SmartCharts, guys, you can actually do all of your TA in here. So if I wanna draw a trend line on this, something like this, right, and we can say, yeah, we're looking for a breakout, let's get into a trade, bang, we just enter the trade here. Okay, we enter our pips, do everything from there, stop loss, and then boom, we enter the trade and we are good to go from there. So that's good. I'm obviously not going to enter that trade here right now, but we will say that this, in terms of general use case and usability, is just far better than TradingView when it comes to just getting in trades, doing TA, and adding indicators as well. So if we're on TradingView right now, we can add indicators. We can have a bunch here, but you're actually going to have to pay quite a lot of money here to actually just have more than 4 indicators on the chart at once, right? I believe it's 4 for the free version of TradingView, and that's okay, right? That's not too bad, okay? But it can be a little bit convoluted, can be a bit in your face like you can see here, and yeah, I mean, just taking trades and stuff like this can be impossible when you compare it to other platforms, right? So if we're looking at TradingView here, yes, this can be useful. We can draw our trend lines in, everything is good, but I would just say that SmartCharts is far superior. And the reason for that is you can add indicators, but you're not limited to 4, right? You're not going to have to pay more to actually access more than 4 indicators. If we're looking here, we can add as many as we want here. I'm actually going to show you an example of just, it's a bit of an extreme example here, but this is just how many indicators you can add at one time here. And this is only a few that I got in, right? You could probably add more than this at your own peril, but the fact that you can add this many indicators for free on this platform is just ridiculous in my opinion, and yeah, it's something that's really, really good, of course. So when it does come to costs, obviously SmartCharts is free, super easy to add indicators as well, just this little button in the top right, okay, and then you find your indicator that you like, maybe it's volatility, standard deviation, throw it up, it's going to add it to your chart at the bottom here, all right? But if we're talking about costs here, obviously with TradingView, guys, you're going to get only 2 charts, right? 2 charts on not even the free version, the £12 per month version, right? And we can also see here that if you were to try and add indicators, you're only going to get 5 indicators per chart on the paid version as well. If we go to SmartCharts, as we've talked about, you can add as many as you want, okay? You can have it bare bones like this, or you can add as many as you want, draw some trend lines in there. It's absolutely fine. It's completely free, right? And the good thing about this is you can actually have a demo account as well if you are interested to just try this out. And you will just see from your own experience, guys, that yeah, it's so easy to enter trades. You can just get involved, bang, okay, we enter the long, we are good to go here. Obviously, I haven't done this well. I've just clicked a button, stop loss down here, buy entry up here, and yeah, take profit up here. So I can actually go in and adjust this take profit if I want, okay, and that's actually going to update my trade. If I just press this tick button again, boom, it's going to update my trade with my take profits. If I was doing this on TradingView, I would have to be going back and forth, right, looking at the different indicators, looking at the different levels, and then getting that into my broker, and then trying to execute the trade, right? It's all available in SmartCharts, and this is why I believe that this is a very, very decent platform for something like this. I'm obviously going to exit this trade here because I haven't actually done any TA on this. Just wanted to show you guys. Already $200 down, so let's let's get rid of this. And you can see here, very, very easy. We just press this button, all right, close the trade, bang, and the trade is closed. We are good to go from there. But one thing about this platform, obviously we talked about the UI here, but there is actually so many features with this platform that just supersede TradingView on massive, massive levels. So here we can see the tools section. We can see that we have different currency strength. If we wanted to trade gold here, gold's doing pretty well right now, so maybe we want to capitalize on that bullish trend that's displayed here. Also, we can actually see at the bottom, on the bottom right here, that we do have some sort of signals. Now, these are very loose signals, so be careful if you do want to check them out. But I will just say, look, if you click on this, it's going to show you basically what's going on with the chart, right? You don't have to go back and through all the tabs and everything. You just click on this, right? So support around 56 here, as you can see. We're just going to click on that, take a look at 56 here. All right, so we've got above it. It's saying support is around here. So if we did break this high again, maybe I would want to get into a trade and then expect this uptrend to continue for another wave here up to maybe 56.2, 56.3, this kind of area, right? So just very, very easy to navigate this platform and say, hey, this is the trade I'm trying to identify. It gives you all of the trades that you need to identify as well. This is basically just saying, hey, you should probably look at this. Something's changed or we're around a support. And this is just great. So you don't have to go in and chart everything. These guys will just have this ready for you. And this is all done with AI as well, so you can tell it's probably going to be very decent across the board here. If we do go to the patterns section here, we can actually see real emerging signals that are appearing throughout the markets here, as you can see here. And let's try and find one that's more recent. So we can see here emerging 25 minutes ago on the US 30. Let's just click on that. It's going to bring up the chart, as you can see here. So it's actually drawn in the TA for us. We've got this arrow coming up and it's saying, hey, when we've hit this support, the resistance is up here. So this is probably where you would like your take profit if you were to scalp this towards the long side. So let's just get into this trade, bang, into a long. It's actually given us the position for us, as you can see here. Fantastic stuff that, yeah, we do actually have the price for entry. We have the take profit, and this is all put in for us from this one signal. Okay, we can see as well, we have the stop loss here. We also have an expiry, so maybe we don't want to be having this order set up at certain time periods. Maybe there's a news event that's going to happen. We want to get out or not have this order in before that event. Maybe we want this to be more of a macro trend. So yes, we can actually set a time period for this order to close. And I will just say, guys, this is just not a thing on TradingView at all. This is just not an option on TradingView. So this is actually a new feature that I think is fantastic. It's really going to help you if you are in your FTMO challenges, or you are prop trading, you are trying to pass those challenges, then this is going to be a perfect option for you, just with decent trade setups, decent risk reward on this one as well, as you can see. So I will just say, fantastic stuff from Smartcharts, and this is why so many traders are moving over. Let's just get into this trade and I'll update you guys in another video. And then if we go over to the trades tab at the top here, we can go to pending and see that limit order that we are targeting, right? We don't have an expiry time on this, but I will probably just close this manually in about 4 hours. But as you guys saw, you can actually set that to automatically expire. So that's good. We have this trade set up ready just based on a signal that was completely free on this platform. And yeah, there are many, many more like this. So maybe it was a long-term signal and you could look 4 hours ago and wait for a breakout, or maybe it is something that is a lot quicker, right? So we can see here the 29 minutes ago one that we did just go for. So I'll just move my camera back for simplicity there, and we can see here that yeah, this is the trade that we did just look at, and that was 29 minutes ago. But there are many, many more here that you can get, and this is just one of these setups that they give you. And again, completely for free here, and you can also go in to the paid sections of this, which again is very good value, right? We've got mentors here that you can get. You can actually learn for free here. If you want to learn trading and you are newer, you can go to the learn section and learn for free here. Lots and lots of really good stuff here with Smartcharts, and I will just say fantastic when it comes to the signal side of things. So I will be doing more videos on Smartcharts because I do think this is a platform that you should all learn, particularly if you are new. And we will just say here, for a holistic trading experience, guys, definitely check this out, okay? Their CEO here is obviously a genius. He's designed the perfect trading platform. His name is Greg Secker, so definitely give him props on Twitter or check him out if you do like the platform, because this is something that I consider quite revolutionary for trading as a whole, right? It's using AI, it's allowing traders to learn, it's allowing traders to propel themselves in ways that TradingView simply just doesn't do. So if you are comparing SmartCharts to TradingView in terms of cost, SmartCharts is free, okay? In terms of limitations on what you can add, SmartChart has none, right? TradingView has a lot, and a lot of paywalls and that. And in terms of just free signals, stuff like this, these guys do offer a lot, and it's really, really good on that front. So that's going to be it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day.